In this video, I'll be showing you how to redeem reward codes in Hamster Kombat. So as you can see, you can redeem these reward codes by playing in the playground. Once you tap on these games, you have to install them from the Google Play Store. And once you finish these games will generate a code that will exchange into diamonds or rewards. So after receiving this code, you just need to click this input box here and then paste the code that you receive after finishing the game. So just head into the playground and then select any games that you want to play, since every single game will give you a reward code. So again, you just need to paste that here in this input box on the top position of every single game. Then that's how you can redeem reward codes in your Hamster Combat, and thank you for listening.